Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This today we are going to be decluttering and cleaning up the kids room and in preparation for the Christmas and the holidays and all that. So this was how the room was looking before I started cleaning up. This was a whole mess. So guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ada and I do everything cleaning, motivation, organization, vlogs, lifestyle and hauls. This looks like the type of content that you love, then this is definitely the channel for you. Please do go ahead and click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining me, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. Thank you guys for always tuning in and supporting your girl. So today, as you guys know, I have been complaining about my kids room, like it's always a mess. Three of them share this same room, so I don't know, I'm just trying to do my best to make this room work for the three of them. It's such a mess, but I'm going to definitely make it work. So I hope this will motivate you to go ahead and clean up. If you want to clean up any part of your house, any room, that room you want to clean up, the living room, the kitchen, wherever you want to clean up, I hope this motivates you to get up and start cleaning. Yeah, so this is what I am going to be doing now. In the video, I don't have a shoe rack for them yet. I'm trying to find something like that would accommodate their shoes for the three of them. They don't have a lot though, but you know how kids shoe can be, so I'm just looking for the perfect shoe rack for them. Once I get that, and if you know any shoe rack, if you can leave the name or the link in the comment section, I will really appreciate that. Let me check it out. So I'm definitely going to declutter their closet. I want to take out all the what's it called, plastic drawers in there, and just because it was just taking so much space in there, it was just taking too much, and I was like, okay, let me just take this out and take out everything that they don't need anymore in this room and then keep the rest. And then I got this dresser from Facebook Marketplace. If you know Facebook Marketplace, so I got this dresser from Facebook Marketplace and I decided to share everything on there. So all the outing clothes, like the clothes they go out with, I decided to put that. I hung all of them in their closet. Then the normal home outfit, like the ones they wear at home when they are home, I just put that in the dresser. So I just gave each of them a dresser each. So like what is it called, like a drawer each. Yeah, not a dresser each, a drawer each. So that was what I did. I had to go ahead and pour out all the clothes and go ahead and fold them in a way that it would fit into the drawers, and also in a way that it will be very well arranged, so they don't even need to, it won't be like the way I did it. It's going to last them for a while. And also this I am using to sort out their undies, like their panties and socks and all those little things. I got this from my Facebook Marketplace. These coobies, I got it from Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to be placing that in the, I use it kind of to separate their panties. So Olivia's panties one place, Jovan's panties on the other one, and Tiffany's panties on the other one. So I put that in the top drawer. So that area is just for their panties and their undies or whatever they call it. Then I went ahead to hang up the rest of the clothes, like their going out clothes, and then the one they're using for the house, I just put it in the dresser. Everybody just gets a dresser. It's just the three of them. So, and then here I have diaper. I have this issue, like whenever I get a new diaper for this boy, he makes sure that he opens, how diapers come in sealed, he makes sure that he opens everything, like he opens everything and then pour out all the diapers. And then I am now left with trying to find out how to store the diapers and where to keep them, because he already bought, but if it's still in the nylon, you know how the diaper thing is, it will be easier for me. But now he pours out everything and the whole diaper is all over the place, and then I'm trying to pack it up and find a way to now store it. It becomes a problem. This boy, I do not understand, honestly. I don't know how to do this, but I don't know. On this day they had so many, like they had a whole lot of things on the floor. Their room was such a mess. Their room was a mess. I'm not even going to lie. Like at a point, you know how many times I came in the room and I went out of anger. I was like, no, I don't think I'm going to do this today. But I'm like, if I keep running away from it, honestly, nobody would do it. I just have to do it. It is what it is. I just have to do it. Like, look at that whole mess, and they don't even care. Look at how she's just sitting there doing her thing. They don't even care. Like, they don't care. Oh Lord, kids are just something else, honestly. I had to go through everything, sort out everything. Like, I did a whole lot. Honestly, this video might be 11 minutes long, but it took me hours. Honestly, it took me hours to do this. The whole night I spent doing this, trying to put their room in order, pick up the toys and take out the toys that I know they wouldn't be needing. Like any toy I know they don't want anymore, I had to take that out immediately because it was causing more problems for me. You can imagine what these kids did to their room. Like, they play with anything they see. So they play with paper, they play with cartons, anything they see, they just play with it, and that makes a whole lot of mess everywhere. The whole place is messy. So I took out all the plastic drawers because this boy literally pulls everything down all the time. So with the dresser, it's, the dresser is heavier, so he doesn't get to pull that down the way he wants to. So that works for me. Look at all that food, everything. Like their room had I don't even know, like they have a whole lot of things in there. Look at him trying to pick up a dirt. Like like that is going to help. How? So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I hope I am not talking too much. And let me know if you prefer me talking more, gisting with you guys and talking, or you prefer the music just playing and then, well, I feel like talking more is more relatable, and it's more like when you're gisting with your girlfriend, that sort of thing. So and this vacuum, you guys, this vacuum is the bomb. Like, it vacuums like crazy. The first time I used it to vacuum the house, I did not know I had that amount of dirt in my house, honestly. But this vacuum will make your house look filthy. It will make your house look filthy. Like, it goes in deep. You can see all the dirt he already has. Like, so guys, if you've gotten to this point in this video, I want to say a very big thank you for watching and supporting me. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate. Please, as well, if what you can do is also to share my video however you want to, wherever you want to share it, the more people get, so that more people get to see my channel, more people get to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's basically it. And also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and like this video. Yeah, that's thumbs up, right? I always say that at the same time. Like, I always say it all the time. So, but whatever, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and leave a comment down below. I said that again, sorry. Oh Lord. So yeah, most importantly, share this video so other people can get to see my channel. I know they will like my channel, so as you like it and you're tuning in, I know they will definitely like it. So thank you so much. As we are coming to the end of this video, hold on, we need to get to the end so you see the transformation and everything that I did. And please do remember to leave a link down below in the comment section if you have any link for kids kind of shoe rack and all that. And then I'm also looking for their toy box spot. I trashed that, so I'm looking for another toy box. And practically, honestly, this Christmas or this holiday, I am definitely not going to be buying anything that has to do with toy, like any toy and all this. I am not buying that. If it's not educational or anything, I am not buying it, because they have so much, and they just use it to litter the whole place. Don't even play with it. They just bring it out, litter the whole place, and that's it. Like, they don't even do anything with it. So this Christmas I told them I am not buying anything toys. I am canceling it out, and out totally. And also, please do let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I'll definitely do a poll on YouTube. So you guys let me know if you want to what type of content or my content do you guys prefer seeing more? The cleaning motivations, the haul, or the the vlogs and all that. Tell me the one you prefer in the comment section. I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. So this is how transformation is. Please be sure to like this video, comment, share, subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.